Hi, David Hanna here. If you only are adding descriptions on your columns or measures, you're missing out, because we can also add it on our tables. So I'm going to show you how we can add it once and then see it everywhere. So simply going into Power Query, right-clicking on that table and clicking on Properties, we can then add meaningful description on how is this table being appended or merged, or which source systems or what Excel file did that come from. When adding that into the table properties, when loading that table inside Power BI Desktop, we'll then also see that description when hovering over the table in Power BI Desktop. We will see it in Data Flows Gen 2 in Fabric. Also in the new Temple tab, we'll be able to see the description. And also if you're using In 𝗤𝗏𝗿 DAX functions, for example the In 𝗤𝗏𝗿 table, you'll then see that description field there, part of your calculated DAX table. And finally, if you're discovering your semantic models in your servers in 𝗤𝗏𝗃, you'll also see that description field there. So add it once and see it everywhere. So going inside Power Query and right-clicking this budget, we'll then be able to see the properties. And here I could say from Dear Excel workbook, right? And when hovering over, we'll then see that information. And I also have from the other tables there as well. So saying close and apply, it will then load into our model as well. So you can then see I have all my tables and description fields here. We'll then be able to see that table property. Over here I have a model documentation. There's a sweet script on that online. We will then be able to union these different In 𝗤𝗏𝗿 DAX calls. Here we can then have a table in our semantic model, where we also can have our description field on tables. So we see it here, alongside with relationships, measures, or any columns. We can go inside the temple view, and I will just drag and drop the entire semantic model in here. And look here, we can actually see here in the scripts that we have our table properties here as well. If I click on the command and go for fold level 3, it will actually fold on table level, so we can see all our different tables. And here again we have our Dear Excel workbook. So now we can see all our table properties as alongside any other documentation for measures or columns. If I then go to the 𝗤𝗏𝗃, it is a tab here in the workspace menu. You can see all the semantic models that you have access to. Either you are the author or you have been granted build access. We can actually see the tables that are part of the semantic models. And look here again, we can actually see the description fields for each table here as well. So please don't just add description fields on columns and measures. Do it on your tables as well, and it will benefit you from Power Query to data flow to Temple view to 𝗤𝗏𝗃. Hope you enjoyed it.